The Center has proposed amendments to the IT Rules 2021 to expand regulation over social media users and independent news creators. Regulation of online content in India. India regulates online content primarily through the Information Technology Act 2000 and the Information Technology Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. Key features of IT Rules 2021 provide a framework for the regulation of digital media and intermediaries, introduce a three-tier grievance redressal mechanism, require social media platforms to exercise due diligence, enable government oversight over digital news and OTT platforms, safe harbor provision. Section 79 of the IT Act grants safe harbor protection to intermediaries. Platforms are not liable for user-generated content if due diligence is followed. Failure to comply with government direction can result in loss of this protection. Role of government. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology regulates intermediaries. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting oversees digital news and content. Blocking orders are issued under Section 69A of the IT Act. Significance. Helps tackle misinformation, fake news and harmful content, strengthen the accountability of digital platforms, enables faster grievance redressal mechanism. Proposed amendments to IT rules. The Center has proposed significant changes to expand regulatory control over online content, inclusion of individual users. The rules may now apply to individual users posting news or current affairs content. Previously, regulation was limited to publishers and platforms. Direct takedown and blocking powers. MIB may be empowered to issue direct blocking order to users and platforms. It can also require user to modify or apologize for content. Expansion of the Interdepartmental Committee. The Interdepartmental Committee will have broader powers. It can now hear a wider range of grievances beyond code violations. Legal status of advisories. Government advisories to platforms may become legally binding. Non-compliance could affect safe harbor protection. News summary. The recent report highlights a major shift in India's approach to regulating online content, expansion of regulatory scope. Independent news creators on platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and X may be brought under the regulatory framework. This includes individuals who may not be professional journalists but create content related to current affairs. Increase government oversight. The proposed amendment empowered the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to issue blocking orders directly, seek information about creators from platforms, enforce compliance through regulatory mechanism. This marks a shift from platform-based regulation to direct regulation of users. Changes in takedown mechanism. The government plans to allow takedown notices to be sent directly to individual users. Earlier, such notices were limited to online news publishers. Additionally, the time window for compliance has reportedly been reduced significantly, increasing pressure on platforms to act quickly. Impact on social media platforms. Advisories will become part of due diligence obligations. Non-compliance could lead to legal liability. Platforms may take down content more aggressively to retain safe harbor. Concerns over freedom of expression. The proposed changes have raised concern among civil society groups. Critics argue it may lead to excessive censorship. The Internet Freedom Foundation has termed it a major expansion of regulatory power. There are also concerns about potential misuse against dissenting or satirical content. Recent enforcement trend. The report indicates an increase in takedown orders in recent weeks. Content related to political criticism and satire has been targeted. AI-generated deepfakes and misinformation are cited as key concerns. These reflect a tightening regulatory environment for digital content. Challenges and issues. Balancing regulation and free speech. Ensuring regulation does not infringe Article 19(1)(a). Ambiguity in definition. Broad definitions may include unintended user over-compliance by platform. Fear of liability may lead to excessive content removal. Judicial scrutiny. Some provisions of the IT rules are already under court review.